The experience was one in which I actually immediately started to trust who I was dealing with. And what I loved was that not only did I actually get a legitimate quote that matched what I paid at the end, but it was detailed. My name is Matt Werber. I work in tech, but I like to build things with my hands. There are a lot of tools online where they're telling you you're going to get this instant quote or the information, only to find out that, hey, a salesperson is going to contact you. I was wrong. What was really awesome was that I got a real price with factoring in local tax rebates and incentives that I didn't have to research, and I saw key details about the different recommendation options that they gave. What really stood out and was my favorite part was they're giving me all of that information because they know what they're talking about and they stand behind it. I think the other one that was really surprising and that would kind of won me over into reaching out was that I was given the option of, do I actually want to take this to the next step? How well the quote matched up with the actual price I paid at the end. It was exactly what I expected it would be and what they said it would be.